The cosmos itself is out of balance. The cry for sacred restoration. Our spirits were never meant to be chained. They were born to be free. Our bodies were never meant to be broken or bound under the yoke of forced labor and brutality. The natural order, which thrives on freedom, reciprocity, and harmony, was disrupted the moment our ancestors were stolen, sold, and silenced. Their cries echoed through time, staining the soil, haunting the winds, and unsettling the stars. The cries of our ancestors unsettled the stars. This is one of my favorite passages in this book. And I remember receiving this download. I remember how heavy and hard the message came in. And I remember being sad. But it was part of the message that I was to share. We were the original people, carriers of divine memory, entrusted with sacred ways of living in rhythm with the earth. We were meant to speak with the rivers, walk with the wind, dance with the fire, and plant by the whispers of the moon. Ours was a communion with creation, a divine fellowship, and when we were ripped from the land and forbidden to remember, that sacred conversation was broken. Climate change is not just environmental collapse. It is the cosmos weeping over the loss of connection with its first children. Because all of creation is interconnected, the pain of the oppressed disturbs the whole. The rivers run angry. The earth cracks open in grief. Storms rage not only from weather, but from memory. Healing the planet, healing nature, and restoring balance to the cosmos requires reckoning with and repairing this harm. To restore divine order, the subjugation of the Negro, the African descended people, must end. Reparations are not only material, they are spiritual and cosmic. The truth must be told. Justice must be served. Until the descendants of the enslaved are treated rightly, until the curse of oppression is broken, nothing built on this injustice will stand. Nothing. That is why every structure, every system, every dream, no matter how carefully constructed, will eventually fall to ruin because it is out of alignment with truth, with love, with the sacred order of the universe. It has to come down. It's coming down right now. We, as the original people, were born in rhythm with creation. As our spirits rise and our dignity is reclaimed, we bring the earth back into rhythm. I'm telling you, this book is prophecy. When the original people return to sacred alignment, the earth will sigh in relief. Our liberation is not only our destiny, it is inevitable. This is prophecy. Our freedom is not just our own, it is medicine for the world. This spiritual revolution is an urgent matter.